Hey, this is Bruce with Local Guys Moving. I just wanted to give a shout out to the Red Wolf Trading Post out in the Waynesville area, Maggie Valley, big part of western North Carolina. She's doing some jewelry. Just you get a chance, go and look at her Facebook page. 70% of all the money you spend locally stays local, and we all appreciate your business. Here's just an idea of what her Facebook page looks like. Looks like she does some really cool jewelry. See if we can click on one of these pictures where that you can get a better look at it. See if that changes. Some more pictures. Some earrings. And we then check out her website too when you get time. Really cool website. That's Red Wolf Trading Post, and her phone number is listed as the 828-246-2898. Then you can definitely find her on Facebook. Everybody keep it local. 70% of all the money you spend locally stays local, and we all appreciate your business.